Nicola's workshop was absolutely amazing.
It was something that I came to on my own. I thought I'd do something completely, totally outside the box.
I was very nervous coming at the start, but I was made feel very welcome.
I loved the animation, voice going up and down, and I could feel my emotions going high, low.
She's almost striding around the stage like a tigress. That's how I described it.
Really, really empowering and passionate.
It's the perfect start for someone who is on the beginning of that mindful positivity journey.
It got me to really look at myself and the changes that I want to make.
It has made me look at my life and what I'm doing or not doing.
It's opened my mind. Well, that's what I'm always into, opening my mind and finding new things about myself and other people.
It has given me the courage to make changes that I need to make.
When something positive happens, I'm going to celebrate it like to death, because I want it to, positivity, like she said, slides off you, whereas negativity, like Velcro, sticks.
My biggest lesson from the workshop is that your past doesn't define who you are now.
If I don't change my life, it's not going to change.
The seeds are in your hands.
Try and be the best version of you that you can be, and also accept the best version of you that you can be.
Stand in my own light. That's my biggest lesson.
The vision came very, very fast and it was very, very clear. So I'm going to take that, hold it, run with it, and hopefully the next workshop we'll start to see that vision. Keep up the good work, fly the flag, and be all that you can be all of the time. And don't forget to be courageous.
I am positive mindset.
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 I am positive mindset.